Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be opening the sewing machine.
This is a first starter sewing machine for kids and youth. As you can see, it says my very own sewing machine. Let's zoom in and see what we got. They have new and improved, easy and safe for kids. Create durable lock stitches. Used with multiple materials, safety finger guard, and step-by-step visual instruction. As you can see, it needs 4 AA batteries, which we already got. It's motorized and it has some stitches you can see here too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have her open it. We also got a sewing kit that we ordered, and we also will show you guys that as she opens that.
And on the back, they have everything that's gonna be in there.
Okay, let's see. This kit includes 1 sewing machine, obviously, 2 neon woven sheets, 12 by 12, 3 sewing thread, 15 yards, 1 stuffing, 1 needle threader, 1 metal kneader, 1 measuring tape, and easy to follow instructions. So we're gonna have her open that, and before we start, she's got a mic on and I got the same one on. We're gonna put the link in the description. These were sent to us free by this company, and they just sent it to us, just to test out and see how we like it. So we're just gonna shout them out so you guys can look at some cool things. So she's gonna open the machine.
I'm just gonna open it my own way. The stuffing and the cotton. Ooh, these are the instructions to make things. And then we have, I think, some yarn for the stitches.
Yeah.
And a measuring tape. Just checking those. Nope. And this is how the whole thing looks. I think we need scissors because there's like stuff on the back. And then we have the fabric and the sewing machine. You can see that. And it's free.
So the battery compartment is probably on the bottom. You got where the battery's at?
I think it.
Yeah, right there where that little latch is. We're gonna get it set up, and then we will see you guys in a second. Alright, so we are back. We're gonna show y'all this sewing kit first we ordered. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Alright, so we got
This is so much.
everything you see here. We got, I think it said 18. Let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 20, 24 spools of thread. I'm not sure exactly the needles, but I'll put everything in the description. 24 spools of thread, a marking pencil. This is a crochet. These are the actual threading needles. You got scissors. I'm not sure what this is.
Me either.
Looks like a little Monopoly trash can piece, but it's a little cup or something. You got some magnifying glasses, some scissors, buttons, measuring tape, clips, and these are, looks like some prongs, not prongs, but let's see. This might be like the poke holes or something.
And And then over here we have the thread.
Yeah, so you have different threads you can have to start your stitching. Yeah, that's what that is, the crochet needle. Like I said, you got your pins, you got your needles. That's it, man. And then let's see, we're gonna try to be careful. Alright, so we need 4 batteries. I'm gonna open it down here. Oh, I need a screwdriver. Can you want to get a screwdriver, please?
I don't know which screwdriver we need, so I just brought both.
They both should work.
I think this is a new needle for the machine, so I guess you can switch out the needle if the needle gets bent up or something. And then the yarn, we have pink, blue, and white. And then long measuring
Alright, we got the batteries in. Trying to do any stitching. Okay, so what we'll have to do, obviously, is when we want to change it, we'll have to change these little spools right here. These are the extra threads.
And then you have to put it around this area.
Yeah, you'll have to put it on here, loop it, and bring it through, and all that good stuff. Where's the instructions? Let's see how that.
That's showing you like to make a unicorn.
Okay, so there's gonna come with this thing so you can download a unicorn template so you can stitch that. But I thought that was instructions. Okay, getting started. Let's see. I guess when you're done, you pull this lever in the back and it lifts up your. Don't take it out. You clamp it down. And they got this plastic piece, so they can't put their finger in the way of the thread, so that way nobody gets their finger poked. That's definitely good safety.
Threaded.
They got a H and an L. I guess that's high and low, but we're gonna see the instructions. I have to zoom in, but if you look right here, this tells you which way tightens the thread and which way loosens the thread.
And I think this is a tension screw to make it tight or loose. So like if it's too tight, you can loosen it up.
Okay, so let's see.
Oh, that's where all the.
There's something else in there. I don't know what's else in there. Okay, so this is a spool needle. Let's see. This is the take-off lever that I showed in the back. This is protective cover. You got the needle clamp in there. This is the tension die. Let me see. Tension dial. Oh, this is the speed right here.
Low and high.
Tension dial. Spool. And you got your on and off switch, obviously. So we put it together, and that's what we're gonna show you guys in this video. The next video we do, we're gonna try to have her stitch or sew her own little piece of material. So if you guys know any other sewing kits that are made by good brands and are good for kids that are learning, because this obviously is just a learner. So once she learns the basics, then we'll try to upgrade and advance her to a new one. So if you guys have any recommendations on any sewing machines or any brands that have good products, let us know. And
Basically a real one.
yeah, like an advanced one, an adult one. You got anything to say before we go?
Thanks for watching, and yeah, peace.
Peace.